Hello everyone, Bruno is here. So, have you ever dreamed of creating your own 3D worlds? Or maybe you are thinking about making stunning animation, mind-blowing video game characters, or even realistic architectural models? Well, 3D design is making all that possible. Nowadays, these skills are more in demand than ever before. You will ask me why? This is a rapidly developing industry, and companies of this industry are scrambling for 3D designers all over the world. So the answer is simple. The demand is high, the supply is low, which brings to great salaries and tons of exciting opportunities. If you don't know where to start, don't worry. You don't need expensive software. All you need is Blender 3D, the industry's leading 3D tool, which is completely free and has huge friendly community. Our new Blender short course will take you from the beginner to 3D Design Pro just in 56 hours. That's right, every Saturday, starting from 18th of May, we will guide you through everything you need: modeling, texturing, animation, render, and even simulation. Learn to create stunning 3D models, breathe life into them with animation, and make them look photorealistic with rendering and textures. You will even master simulations for dynamic effects. Don't miss the opportunity to unlock the world of creative possibilities and rewarding career. Our 3D design with Blender short course will start on 18th of May, and the class schedule is on every Saturday from 8 in the morning till 12:20 p.m. Spots are limited and only few are stayed. So register today. See you there.